Just right here, Jesse, if you mind. Yeah, looks great. Oh, you just put a dog gate in there, box it up. Well, should we open it up too? Looks like back there. Expensive ass pallet. Huh? Thank you so much, Jesse. Have a great day, bro. Thank you. What's up, guys? Sean over at Misfire on this fine Friday evening. We've had a little project that we've been tinkering with after hours in our own time. A little background, Grant and I have always had a little bit of an obsession with Vipers. I feel like everyone kind of likes them or hates them or loves them, so we love them. So it would never like replace a Subaru, but I thought it'd be cool if we were able to get our hands on one and just kind of see what they're about. You know, it's an older car. Our really good friend Jared, he's had one. I rode one many years ago, and I've always been in love with them, and they're somewhat attainable as well. Production numbers are not that, there isn't that many of them out there. They're super sketchy to drive, so a lot of them get totaled and, you know, wrecked. An opportunity came up actually in Oklahoma City that a good friend of mine had this car, and kind of lost interest over the years. No big deal. That happens to the best of us, honestly. And I reached out to him and I was like, hey, do you want to sell your Viper? And he's like, sure. And I was like, okay, cool. So Grant and I went over to his house along with my wife, Cassie, and we loaded this thing up literally in boxes and in bolts. And we honestly were thinking, we're like, you know, what better way to learn the platform by buying one that's literally in pieces to put it together ourselves, just like we did on our Subaru stuff. So here we are. We've got the engine sitting right here. We did the Gen 3 intake manifold swap on it, valve covers, freshened up the motor, and we're gonna put it in. So the car is a twin turbo ACR 1999. It's got about 40,000 miles on it. It's one of 19 in the configuration, if I remember right. So it's kind of a rare bird, and I honestly hate red cars. I'm not a Dodge guy, so it's kind of one of those weird deals, but we like working on stuff, we like challenges, and like I said, it'll never replace a single Subaru, like you can quote me on that, but it's just something different to kind of keep the fire going, you know? It's like day in and day out, 10, 12 hours a day, we're busting our butt on these Subarus, and we love them to death, but there's a point where sometimes you have to change it up a little bit and see what other things are out there. You know, that's all I really know how to work on is Subaru. That's all I've ever worked on. So we figured we'd give it a shot, and Ryan's been kind of recording the progress, and we hope that we can figure this out. Like, it's just chilling right now. Nothing's been done. The motor, transmission, everything's out. It's all in bags and pieces. So we're really excited to put this thing together and show you guys how it runs. So thanks for all the love and support, and we'll see how this goes.